Hey everyone, Gil here for Grayman Prepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about something that you might not thinking about prepping because of the time of year it is now. You know, winter's over, spring is here, temperatures are warming up. What I want to talk to you about is cold medicine. And some of you kind of rolling your eyes a bit, but think about it. You ever heard of that summertime cold or a spring cold? When the temperature changes from season to season, it takes your body sometimes a little chance to catch up, because sometimes the changes can be rather abrupt. And it's that changes in temperature that can lead your body's immune system to be stressed out and leaves you open to getting a simple, head cold. So, do you have fresh supplies? Do you have enough supplies to last you throughout the year? Or maybe even next year as well. So check your supplies on your cold medication, cough drops, stuff like NyQuil, Benadryl, whatever it is you're taking. Take a good look at what you have in stock and figure out what you're going to need to get you through the year. All right? Now, one other thing I want to talk to you about besides cold medication is growing an indoor garden. We're going to be doing an indoor garden challenge in 2025. And now is the perfect opportunity to practice, experiment, see what you can grow indoors. We're going to be giving away several Amazon gift cards as prizes. So, you might want to look into growing indoors and see if you can meet the challenge of growing an indoor garden. All right? So, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medications, clothing. Learn a new skill every month. And of course, practice growing that indoor garden, because you don't want to eat those vegetables in the stores, especially since they're adding all sorts of goofy chemicals to them and other injections into the plants, or spraying them with the stuff that are in injections to get it into you. Yeah, they're doing some really nasty stuff to our food, so you need to grow your own food.